Hi all. So today we look at the characteristics of naive Bayes algorithm. So naive Bayes is a very well-known classification algorithm, and as the name suggests, it's based on Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem is the one which is based on concept of conditional probability, and this concept and this theorem is something which is very commonly used in case of machine learning in order to solve all kind of classification problems. Now, this algorithm, something which is very simple to implement, and the usage is pretty efficient. This is what makes it a lot more advantageous for the users of the algorithm. Now, it is assuming that all the features are independent. Now, this might work in certain cases, but this might be a problem when it comes to certain real world solutions, certain real world problems. Now, this is a concept which involves the usage of probability. So all the outcomes that we are defining, they're all probabilistic. Naive Bayes is something which is able to handle both categorical and numerical data. This is an advantage we could have with the usage of this algorithm. Now, further if we look at, it's a very popular algorithm when it comes to utility. So utilities in case of filtering out spam, so we can classify whether this particular email is a spam or not. In terms of classification of text, so this is a sort of a multi-class label classification. So naive Bayes is also further robust to very irrelevant features. That means even in case of our input, having a lot of irrelevant features, it doesn't affect the output. Also, we need a very small element, so small amount of training data. So this makes the usage of naive Bayes algorithm in machine learning a lot more pertinent. And as we have talked about earlier also, naive Bayes is used a lot for multi-class classification tasks. So wherein we are able to have more than two outcomes very easily. And further, for both binary means two outcomes, such as in the case of email spam filtering, it is also further utilized for multi-class classification tasks such as character recognition or text classification. So the utilities of the naive Bayes algorithm are immense. Thank you very much.